This is the My Favorite Book page. Think about a book that you read this year and you get to write about it here. Now, you might want to ask your teacher if you want help remembering who the author was or what was that book that we read that I loved so much, or you might have the book with you in your house. So for me, my favorite book this year was a Magic Tree House book, and it's called Night of the Ninjas. So I'm going to put the title here. Just click and start typing. I want to make this a cool color, cool background, and maybe center it. Click off of it. There we go. And then the author. If you need to ask your teacher or look this up, then you can do that. Mary Pope Osborne wrote all the Magic Tree House books. So here I was clicking on that. I don't want that. I want to click on the text. So see how the symbol changes? And then I can put different colors to it. Cool. So here I'll put a book summary, and then here I'm going to put a picture of the book. This might be a little tricky. I was searching and not every book comes up. So one thing you can do is you can search the web and put in the book title. For me, it didn't really show up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the actual internet. So I'm not just searching inside of Google Slides. I'm going to come up here to the internet up here, open a new tab. And here I am on Google, and I'm just going to search for the name of the book. So I'll search for Night of the Ninjas book, maybe book cover. Click enter or return. And then I'm going to come up here to images. And here it is. So I'm going to click on this, come over to the picture, and now I need to copy this into my presentation. So the way to copy is to right click. All right, so if you are on a Chromebook, the right click is Alt click. If you are on a regular PC, it's Control click. And if you're on a Macintosh, it's Command click. If you have a mouse, you just click the right button. If there are two buttons, a left and a right, click the right one. So you might need to experiment with that on your computer. But once this comes up, click on Copy Image, and now it's copied. Now you can come all the way back over here to your example and do a right click again and click Paste. And there it is. I can resize it. Really cool. And then here, just start writing. So Jack and Annie travel to Japan and they meet some ninjas. With help from the ninjas and their new friend Peanut, Jack and Annie escape some samurais. I'm going to right click here. There we go. Escape some samurais and try to find their friend Morgan. So there's my summary of what happened in the book.